What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm doing this video on Swagbucks. I've been making money with Swagbucks for a very long time. You see at the top, I got 3,608 Swagbucks. That's equivalent to $36.08. I mean, I'm cashing out in this site like regularly, literally like, I try to let it build up a little bit. Like usually when it gets around like $25, I like to cash out. But I've been so busy with other sites, and sometimes you just get caught up in doing so many surveys and offers, you just kind of forget to cash out. If that sounds crazy enough, but it's good because your money is still piling up. But I'm gonna show you my routine, all that good stuff. I'm going to cash out, all that in this video. So I just want to show you this daily goal real quick, because I think this is something that's really slept on this website. Daily goal: if I earn 97 Swagbucks, they'll give me 8 cents. So I did a survey, it was worth 32 cents. That's how I got that. So I'm gonna do a couple more probably today, so I can get the 8 cent Swagbucks. I really try to go for that. The daily goal, that's really my goal on every time I come on this site. But usually I make more than that. I try to make like $2 a day on this site. Sometimes I get just $1, because sometimes I end up taking a survey that's a little longer, or sometimes I'll get caught up in doing something other than the survey. I'm kind of watching TV or something like that, so it takes me a little longer. But nonetheless, I'm still making money with it. So first of all, what I do when I first come on this site, I go to answer. They have a daily poll that's worth a penny. So I mean, that's not a lot, but it's just a quick little way to make, just answer one question to get 1 cent. That's all it is. Have you been getting food lately? I've been going to the grocery store actually, because I still got to eat, and I think it's still cheaper to buy groceries. But it doesn't matter what you put, you just vote on and earn. And you see there my balance went up, 1 Swagbuck. So that's how you do that. Then I go back to answer, and this is where all the surveys are. And the good thing about their surveys is they actually have bonus points to them. You see these surveys, you see the plus 75, plus 25, plus 72. Those are the bonuses that they're giving you for doing the survey. That's a lot of extra money added to it. Look, this 4-minute survey is really worth 25 Swagbucks. They're gonna give me 13. You know what I'm saying? They do this periodically. Like I would say, at least once a week they do this. You just have to catch them on a good day. 1-minute survey, 1 Swagbuck, 2-minute survey, 5 Swagbuck. I mean, just a lot of them are quick, they're easy, and they're just giving you a bonus on top of that. Now these bonuses, they don't last forever, so that's why when you see the bonuses offered, that's when it's really important to really grind out on it. You know what I'm saying? So the thing is, with the surveys, just go through and try them all. And on top of that, is like, if you ever get disqualified for a survey, or you don't finish it or whatever, you'll get disqualification points. So you're going to get something for every single one of these surveys that you attempt. So your money is going to pile up regardless. You know what I'm saying? You see the time that they have for it is 15 hours and 53 cents. They usually have it for like 48 hours, but just kind of pay attention to the time. That kind of, tells you when the bonuses will be over. But the surveys will still be there. Just the bonuses, they'll be off. It's important over here. You have to just kind of do this periodically. Your survey profile, because that shows you they're asking questions so they can give you the right survey, so you don't get disqualified all the time. Because these survey providers, they don't want to kick people out. They want to give people the surveys that they feel like are going to qualify. So it's very important that you continue to fill these survey profiles out. Like I said, you'll get it all the time, just because they want you to qualify for the survey. And on top of that, you're getting paid for it. So every 10 questions, you're going to get 2 Swagbucks. I mean, you'll be surprised at how fast money just adds up doing that. Let me see. Also, this Swagbucks, recently they just added receipts, so you can just take a picture of any receipt. They actually have a mobile app, Swagbucks. You can download that in the Play Store, and just take a picture of your receipt, and you're gonna get 2 Swagbucks for that. And there's no limit to it, so you can just take a picture of as many of your receipts as you want to, so you can really just pile up. I mean, I'm just showing you so many different ways that you can make money on it. I mean, it's crazy how much opportunity there is on here. You can also search and search the web and earn. You can get paid to search. You'll probably have to do a few of them before you actually get paid. So I think I had to do like maybe 10 searches before they actually paid me. So I mean, you might search something real quick, and like, let me see, like money. I can just search that, and you might not get credited for it, but you got to keep searching. You got to like do it like 10 times sometimes. I mean, yes, I didn't get credited for it, but you just keep on searching, and eventually they'll pay you. They'll say, oh, here you just earned 13 cents or something like that. And then you just go through and just basically collect your 13 cents. So, I mean, it's just that easy with this site. They have different rewards. I'm going to actually cash out, but I just wanted to show you the surveys. I mean, the surveys, that's the biggest thing on here. They have offers, they have all that good stuff. The surveys, the receipts, you can watch videos over here. You go to watch. And like I said, they have a mobile app. You can also watch videos on your phone. It's just a lot of opportunity on this site, and I think it's really slept on. So I really want to encourage people to sign up for it. The link is in the description, so you can sign up today and get started with it. You'll get bonus Swagbucks once you sign up with the link, so and you can really start making money. Now I'm gonna show you some cash outs, and on top of all the good that's with this site, they actually have discounted Swagbucks. I mean, like discounted prizes. Let me say, like right here, on sale rewards. I usually get my reward on here, but they have PayPal. You can go here, gift cards 1 to 5, so you can see what you can get for $1 to $5. I mean, they got PayPal right there. They got Amazon. I mean, so many different gift cards and so many different levels. I mean, they have $5 Amazon, 10, 15, 20, all that stuff. But I mean, it just depends on what you want. You can go PayPal, you can go Amazon, you can go get, food, restaurant gift cards. It doesn't matter. I'm sure a gift card that you want is on here. So like I said, I'm gonna go cash out. Like I said, I always do the on sale rewards because you just get more for your money. Let me see how to get back to it. Let me see, because it's actually like on their home page. So let me go redeem your Swagbucks, and right here it should pop up on sale rewards. I go to view all, and then it'll show you all the ones that they have on sale, like the Visa gift card. They'll give you $25 Visa card. You just give them 2,450 Swagbucks. So you're gonna save 50 Swagbucks, but get $25 worth. They have get discounts on the $10 gift card, on the $100 gift card, Google Play. You know what I'm saying? They add, different ones all the time. Sometimes there's bigger discounts. I mean, I know for a fact, in my previous videos, I've gotten this $25 Visa gift card for like $21.75 in Swagbucks. So I mean, they're usually 13% off right now. They're 2% off. It must means a lot of people are getting them, which is good. Everybody's getting money. So, I mean, you just kind of find out, you can see what's on sale. They have lots of different ones, like I said. And of course, if you want to do PayPal, Amazon, you can always do those. I mean, they're usually not on sale, but you can definitely cash out with those. Just depends on how you want to do it. So for me, I'm going to actually get this $25 Visa gift card. I'm going to click on it right here. And it's going to ask me, do I want to claim this gift card? All that good stuff is right here. Claim a gift card. So I'm going to claim it. And my address and all that stuff is going to pop up. So I'm going to put the camera down here. I just confirm my address. Very simple. I mean, even though they don't need my address, because they're going to send it to me in my email anyway. I just click continue right there. And just like that, $25 Visa gift card is on the way. So easy way to make money with it. You see my balance went down. I like to leave, money in my account. I can actually cash out again, another $10 gift card if I wanted to or something like that. But I'm just going to leave that in there, kind of cash out again once I get above $25, because that's kind of like, my little goal. But, you can always cash out whenever you want to. Like I said, they have low gift cards, and you can get gift cards at like $1. So just depends on what you want. But there's a lot of money into it. You can, definitely do those surveys. You're going to get disqualification points if you get kicked out. You can watch videos. Make sure you get your daily goal. Like today is 97 Swagbucks. That's the daily goal. So make that. You get a free 8 cent. Make sure you do your survey profile question. You'll get 10 cents for that. Not 10 cents, but every 10 questions, you'll get 2 cents. And like I said, you'll fill it out sometimes. It'll say, okay, you completed it. Then, 2-3 days later, you got to complete it again. But for me, it's just I jump right to the survey. Sometimes I forget about that. But, definitely if you're new to the site, go check that out. Continue to do those. It's an easy way to make money. You can take pictures of receipts, get 2 cents for every receipt. I mean, it's just a lot of money in it, y'all. So I really want to encourage you guys to get started with it. Click on the link in the description, sign up, create an account, all that good stuff. Get started today. All right. And the most important thing to remember is every penny counts.